Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really quick and simple tutorial on how to tone orange hair. I have had a pretty extreme hair journey where I've been trying to bleach it over and over again, and I finally got it to an okay place, but then yesterday I decided to bleach it one more time, and now somehow I ended up back at orange and yellow and red and all the colors of the rainbow. So I'll show you really quickly what it looks like before I show you what I'm gonna do. Right now my hair is really damp, so you can't really see the orange tones, and I used a semi-permanent hair color in it, so it's toning down the orange a lot right now. But basically my entire head is like this weird brassy orange yellow color. I don't know if you can see properly at the back of my head. So I've been doing a lot more research this time, and I found the perfect combination of hair toners. So I'm using the Wella T14 and 050. This one is more of like a blue undertone, and this one has an ash silver undertone. You can tell the undertone by this. I'll also be using a 10 volume developer so that my black hair does not lift any further and I don't have any further damage to my hair, because at this point I'm not sure how exactly I have any hair left on my head. From what I've seen online, the formula is you pour in the entire bottle of T14 and then you pour in quarter to a half of the 050, because this one is very ashy, and if you put in too much you'll get a lot more of a gray color. And then you put 2 times the volume. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but I'm going to be showing you exactly the process that I'm doing, everything that I'm pouring in, how much I'm pouring in. It will be very simple and straightforward, so it will be an easy tutorial to follow. Before we even start mixing, step number 1 is your hair needs to be damp. So now my mixture is complete. Don't mind my raggedy t-shirt. I saw online that it's supposed to turn blue or something. My hair is already dry and frizzy, so I'm just gonna quickly dampen it again and then start to apply this to my entire head. Now my hair is completely saturated, so I'm gonna wait 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave it, let it really penetrate my hair, and then I will wash it out. And I know before I was telling you that it was supposed to turn into a blue color, but that it wasn't changing, and it actually did. It turned into this, like, I don't know if you can see properly. So you can kind of see a bit around the edge. It turned into this like dark blue gray type color. So yeah. So it's officially been 20 minutes and my hair is looking completely black, which to be honest is freaking me out a bit. It looks really dark, but I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna leave a little bit of conditioner in it while I run to an appointment. I feel like this happens every single time I dye my hair. I'm gonna rinse it, leave conditioner in it, and then I will be back and wash it out and see how the color looks. And I'm using Blue Lagoon conditioner just to leave in my hair. Hi guys, I'm back from my appointment and my hair is still wet and still has conditioner in it, but right now only the front is a nice ashy color. The back, if you were to see it in person, it's still a little bit red. So I'm gonna mix a bit of the 050 with a bit of the 10 developer just to really ash out the back, which I know it might end up being a little too ashy, but I'm willing to go there because I just don't want red at all. Just using the T14 and the 50, this is the color you get. Hi guys, so it is a lot later now and you would have just seen what the back of my head looks like after my hair was washed and blow dried. So the color did come out pretty nice. It's not exactly what I wanted. I think I should have used a little bit more of the 050 because I wanted more of an ashy color and a lot of the red tones still weren't completely removed. So I think I also could have left it on my hair a little bit longer. But all in all, it's not horrible. I'll show you again. I don't know if you can really see now but it's okay. I mean, I think I'm not going to be messing with my hair for a while. I'm going to give it some time to just breathe, and it's going to be all about making my hair grow out now and just for the hair that I do have on my head. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video could help somebody who's struggling with having orange hair right now. I didn't get the results I wanted, but I did get rid of the orange. So if that's your dilemma, this is the solution. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that next time I post a video, you'll be the first one to know. Bye guys.